very often. No.
We tend to underestimate the use of green screens in the making of movies. Here's an example by Ian Hubert that shows the incredible power green screens have, in which what looks like it could be a real set is actually completely done in post-production. Yellow Lamborghini in Singapore driving recklessly. It was expected that the driver was probably going to get stopped by the police soon, but one of the craziest events happened, and that same Lamborghini crashed another almost identical yellow Lamborghini. Even though the crash wasn't at a high speed, and thankfully both drivers were totally fine, the damages were well above the $250,000 mark. A mind-blowing thing to watch is how this elephant manages to make an elaborate painting of a flower in Thailand. He even knows which colors to use to make the flowers and leaves.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
This is Parkour, internet sensation of 2004, and it was in one of the Bond films. It's pretty impressive. The goal is to get from
Red dot on. Is it recording? No.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun.
What? Don't you hiss at me.